the most user-friendly manual hydrostatic tester from Korea. First, fill the water tank with water. Connect the provided high-pressure hose to the outlet line. Once hand-tightened, use 14 mm and 19 mm wrenches to fully tighten it. Connect it to the test container. Close the discharge valve, then operate the pump to build pressure. Pressure build-up time varies depending on the size of the test vessel. Pre-filling the vessel with water before connecting the discharge line will help the pressure rise faster. To release pressure, loosen the side valve. If you are interested in our product, please send us a quotation request via the email below.